guys, welcome back to our channel Quadicsa Dudes. Thanks for watching, like, share and subscribe. So without any delay, let's get on to it.
Just like the last time.
Nice whirlpool. Whoa. It's like the whirlpool you can make in a bottle.
I swear.
But this is actually more
Is
cool.
that a shark backside of it? Oh, oh,
Oh!
That's amazing.
oh, two birds pull it.
Oh shit, that's like a massive flood, man.
That's so satisfying.
Down the
I want to
roads.
stay on the roads when this happens.
Oh, the
Okay,
first
okay,
round.
okay.
Oh, you get lava getting
Yeah,
like
it is
cooling
lava
down.
getting-
It's molten magma.
It cools down in a minute.
That's so good.
Man, that's just so good. Oh, oh my god.
What
Oh
the heck?
my god, that's so great.
Okay.
What
Oh,
is that?
what is that?
Oh, what is that?
It's a paper and a matchstick.
Guys, comment down below if you know this. Oh, he used it as a candle?
Oh,
Great idea. That's normal boating, I think.
Yeah, what's that? What's satisfying in that?
so satisfying.
No idea.
Comment down below.
Okay. She's going. She's going. She's just going.
I'm getting pissed right now. No?
Hey, what is satisfying in that?
Oh,
What was satisfying?
That
enough?
was satisfying.
Now this is satisfying.
That's a
it's like chocolate milk. Cappuccino.
choco. Oh, that's amazing.
Oh, oh,
Oh,
Calligraphy skills.
calligraphy skills, huh?
Comment down below where you'll get this type of pen. Because we really need it.
Oh, it's amazing.
What's that?
Look
Is
at
it
that.
a magic trick? Oh! Oh, it's like domino.
Oh, it's a
Oh, look at the convertible. And look at the...
Oh, it's so
Oh
amazing.
my god. Bro, please don't show my glass. It's so cool.
This one's really, really cool.
Oh. I think it's there's a base which can spam.
Good.
Okay.
Oh!
Oh, that card box was.
Amazing.
Okay, these are normal playing cards.
Oh! How does he do that?
He is a
Oh!
He's a flippin' magician.
That's good.
He's like the gambler.
Okay.
Oh!
Is that a mirror image or are there actually two people walking?
Come on, what's that?
What's that?
Oh!
Oh, this
Oh,
one's
great
cool.
power,
I
huh?
guess this is toilet paper.
Great power and balancing skills.
That's not it.
What is this?
This is cutting cakes.
Kind of satisfying.
It is satisfying. Okay, this
Now that is a lot
Cottage.
satisfying.
Oh,
I know you wanna eat it. This is
oh, that's
chips.
that's
Is that
thin
chips?
slices which we're not able to find out.
Is that chips or cheese?
Cheese. Oh, look at that. Oh.
That's called cleaning skills, man.
That's not kind. He's painting it.
Okay, yeah, he's painting. I'm really sorry, guys.
No, I think he's painting it. No, he's cleaning it.
Now he is painting it. Oh no, he's cleaning it.
Whoa.
Comment down below what was he cleaning or painting it.
What's he doing?
Oh, it's coming out.
Oh,
That's kinetic sand.
it's like kinetic sand. It's like droopy.
What is this? These are like the ice cream rolls.
Oh, look at the
Oh,
frost, man.
that happens usually.
Ice, ice.
We just wrote it. Okay, okay.
Come on, don't
Okay.
make me hungry.
That's a donut.
Come on. That's
It's a large
That's a
donut.
large donut.
looks
That's
really big. Looks
Oh, come on.
that is
Wow.
For 100 people.
insane.
Who's that? Who's that?
Who's that?
Oh,
That's a pretty good drawing.
Oh, what is this?
Kinetic sand.
oh,
That's explosion.
Slow mo.
Explosion.
Slow mo.
Oh, what is this? What is that?
What are you doing? Comment down below.
Okay.
Oh, that's a combined harvester.
That's deforestation.
No,
Crops, bro.
that's
come on.
crops, dude.
Oh, they're cutting down crops?
Okay, this is domino. Come
They're
on.
not cutting.
Oh, it's illusion.
Illusion magic, huh?
Dude, these people are seriously making me hungry.
Yeah.
One
It's-
thing I found out:
Oh, that's
all
the
these
same.
satisfying videos we see,
They make you hungry.
almost everything is about food.
And we are not gonna win, not even a single match, single battle.
Oh, bro, come on.
Okay, what is he doing actually?
He's customizing it. Think.
What design is he trying to make?
Freddy
It's called
class.
Quadicsa Dudes. Oh,
One more calligraphy.
That's pretty good. Oh, I want to do that. Oh, that was amazing.
That's L. Death Note. Symbols like
oh,
that.
what is that? It's such a thin sheet of wood.
It's tape, dude.
No, it's good.
Sheet, dude.
Okay, it's
Wood. Oh, that's cool.
That's a nice
catch.
catch.
Oh,
Oh,
Oh, they are pretty good at this.
oh, dude, perfect.
flip. They're better than this. Oh,
Whoa,
that was
That was
so
amazing.
amazing. He's crafting it.
People have a lot of talent. Didn't you know about?
I thought I did prefer to the only people who had all that.
Oh,
Oh, you're like Michael Jackson.
this thing is like.
It's
Oh,
really satisfying. It's a pot.
pottery.
Pottery.
Oh,
Oh,
Amazing.
they make it with water, except that everything is so good. Oh, he changes the shape so easily
oh, exactly.
And so smoothly.
without Shazim getting to know.
What is he adding? Is that clay?
No, he's molding it.
Oh, that's beautiful texture.
Amazing. Just amazing.
Come on, man. That's great texture. Oh, what is that? Oh, shit!
That's shipping.
It says Biba. What does that mean?
Who cares?
Oh, that's a great table, you know?
Very good.
Oh, that's carbon fiber makeout, man.
Amazing.
Amazing.
See it? Oh,
Oh
it's
my.
so cold, it's freezing.
Whoa, you
Oh,
serious?
this guy is a card dude, man.
No, he
This
has
guy's
a lot of
money
money.
dude.
Is that money?
Yeah.
Oh, so much? I wish I had that
Dude,
one.
it's an illusion. It's. See, he was
That's an
very
illusion?
Got me on that, dude, too. Oh,
Oh.
oh,
That is in
Whoa,
slow mo at the end.
whoa.
Okay. What's that? What's that?
Wood.
Oh, it's like a honeycomb texture.
It looks good, pretty good.
It looks good.
Very good, in fact.
It looks good. It feels good.
It is good.
It is good.
Okay, what's this now? Is he?
Painting it.
Is it a he or a she?
It's a he.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, we're not bothered. Bro.
But we're just bothered to get satisfied.
Exactly.
And then we're gonna lose this tournament too. Because yeah, you got satisfied. Let's try not to get, but we did get. What are you
So
doing?
what exactly is he doing?
I have no idea. Is it?
Oh, it's GTA.
It's
Oh,
No, it's not
oh.
GTA. It's.
Yeah,
Oh my god, this dude is a pro, man.
Oh
Oh, shit.
my!
Oh,
oh, it's leaving color.
color contrast, man. Come on. That's great.
It's amazing. Look at that combination.
Oh,
That's
that's
a great
straightening.
color straightening.
Oh,
That's portability. Come on. Oh, shit.
that's
What
bubbles.
is that?
Bubbles.
What?
Yeah, what? Oh, it's soda.
Aquarium.
It's soda. It's soda.
Yeah.
It's Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
Come on.
It's amazing.
Why do they
That's-
show food items?
I see how you want to eat those.
Oh, come on, go on.
What is that?
Oh, it's a shredder.
Oh my. Oh,
It's oh,
I guess that's plastic, right?
yeah. Oh, this
Whoa,
dude is a great
multi-hand
multitasking.
Both are different.
Yeah.
Oh,
One
beautiful.
That's pretty good.
We gotta give him a round of applause.
That's amazing.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, that's good.
Whoa!
That's
Oh, that's how it
amazing.
works.
Oh,
Oh, shit! We couldn't take it, man. I believe
That was
we didn't
actually
do that
pretty
good on
good.
this
Video.
try not to get satisfied challenge. And it's, well, next time. See you. Like, share, and subscribe. See you guys again. Signing off. Bye bye.